Hi guys, this is Vic and welcome to the demo of Vid Ranker. Now in this video, I'm going to show you why this is the best product in the market when it comes to video rankings and stuff like that. So we've done tons and tons of things inside this piece. So I'll just show you a little brief and you'll surely come to know what exactly can this piece do. So let's come to the dashboard. So basically this is the dashboard, and on the left hand side we have all the cool options. So the most important ones are basically this. So if I click on the YouTube account section, and as a brand new account, you will find this option coming here. You click on this and you connect any of your YouTube account with just a click of your button. So just like that. So I hit allow and it's done. So basically you get a message that it's added successfully. So now I have my account set up here, and now what I can do is, if I go inside, we have two options guys, local marketing and affiliate marketing. Now if I go inside the affiliate marketing and I go inside the add event section, this is great for launch hacking. This is great for promoting your own product. Like for example, we just recently launched this product called Vid Ranker. So I hit show results. Now what this is going to do, it's going to create multiple versions. As you see, look at this. So all these title tags and descriptions are automatically created. Now the beauty of this is, if I just scroll to the right and click on this edit bar, look at this. So we have some great cool SEO strategy working here. So we have the title in the description and in the tag itself. Not just that, we have the last URL and the random URL that this software is gonna get once we start the live streaming. So it's gonna give the link juice. It's gonna actually create a well optimized video. So it's kind of all the experience that we had in the last 5-6 years, and the basic things that are required, and so we're putting it all together in this piece itself. Now other cool features that you can do and is like you select a file, okay, and once, for example, I have this file here, so I'll just select a small file, and if I checkbox this, so basically I don't need to select it on all the options here. So it's gonna automatically upload it for all the events. I can put a thumbnail here, I can add a description, I can remove this event right from here. Okay, then what we can do, we can actually if I go to the left hand side over here, we have some other cool features, because if you don't want like hundreds and hundreds of live streaming, okay, then what you can do, you can actually simply remove them, and that's pretty much it. So I can just unselect them and say delete and hit this, and it's all gone. So now what will happen is we'll actually see that those live stream, those events are actually getting deleted. So once that is done, I mean, it's completely optional, but I'm just wanting to show you what exactly this can do. So once that is done, what you got to do is you have all these options to schedule your live stream. So for example, if I just want to schedule it on a random time, then I just need to enter the time gap that I want in this thing. For example, I want 15 minutes so the events will be scheduled as per this time gap, and then I hit submit. So what this part will do, this will actually create all the live events inside YouTube, and they'll actually get live streamed in those times. Okay, so this is the progress bar, and once this progress bar reaches to 100, all our live streams are good to get uploaded on YouTube via live stream. So with the link juice, and of course with your video and the message, everything super high quality, and that's how you can actually explode. Listen, just imagine like you have 100 videos for one single product with different kinds of in demand keywords, like with by adding the magic suffix and the prefix, you know, we've created so many versions of it. So this is great, and this is all in cloud, guys. So now, I mean, your job is done. Once this event is created, your job is done actually. And you simply look at this. So basically we have all those events that are created successfully, so all of them are here. If I just click on this, so it'll show me the YouTube link, and look at this. So it says live event created, and we didn't put the thumbnail, guys, so it's gonna go at this time, so and so on and so forth. So you can select your time zones, you can delete if you don't want this event to get live streamed. So it's as simple as that. So that's the beauty of live Vid Ranker, getting hundreds of video live streamed on complete autopilot with hardly anything. Okay, but we're not done yet. This is just one part of it. Look at this. Now for local marketers, you can impress your clients like anything. You can actually go out there and, you know, promote your own services, okay, promote your own brand with this. So for example, if you choose your country, for I'm just hypothetically taking any country. So what our software will do, once I select the country, it'll just pull out all the cities there, and once I pull out the city there, say for example I want to target this city, and you know, I am an SEO expert, you know, so I want to target SEO expert in this city, in this country. Now there are extensive training in the training area, but this is just to make you understand what exactly are we getting here. So with just this one click, this software actually goes out and creates all the multiple versions of that particular keyword, like SEO this, you know, and that so many of them. Look at this. So again, the same thing. It's actually given us hundreds and hundreds of results that are all set to live stream on complete autopilot with one click. And as we go right here in the description box, so we see they're highly optimized because the title is there in the description, in the tag, and of course we have the last year and the random URL to give the link juice. You can just simply add another bit of the description that you want, you know, anything that you feel like, your client's contact details, stuff like that, and these videos will be interlinked and they'll get the link juice, everything. And once again, like we did in the last one, you can schedule. We have different options for scheduling. All this is in the training area, but you just see the magic. So you can schedule it and all events are created. So this is a great product. We have other options, you know, the other upgrades and the other stuff. The funnel is going to be great, very helpful, but this beast in itself, this is a complete front end, guys. So this beast is perfect for all the marketers out there. And the great part, another thing that I want to point out, is we are also giving commercial license in the front end itself. Okay, so that is going to really help you get the best out of it, serve your clients, and of course for your own self, use live Vid Ranker. I hope you actually enjoyed this, and I hope you've seen the power of this particular beast. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side, and this is Vic signing off. Bye bye.